It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. I know it's been a long time. I got my brother here with me helping me out, but it's not what you think. I'm not working on this today. I want to give you guys a funny story. I was going to make a little skit about it, but I don't have enough time either to do that. I don't know, who knows, but I called a mobile welder, a couple of them, and I sent them a video from another YouTuber who have the same car as this, who has the same exact issue I have with the subframe mounting points. And I sent the video with timestamps. I was like, hey, hi guys, just wanted to know if you guys give me a hand, you know, I put the timestamps in there and let me know. So send it to the guy. The guy's like, all right, I'll take a look at it, I'll let you know. The guy looks at it and tells me that's gonna be about $1,200 and good luck with that. I felt like, yo, this guy just really like slapped me in my face, and the way he said good luck is like the way they didn't take it, like good luck. Good luck. Like he didn't even care. You know what I'm saying? And I felt kind of offended about that. So I'm at the stage right now. I know we all talking about the stimulus for you guys live in America. I didn't get anything yet, so hopefully, fingers crossed, I get something. But I want to buy a welder. I'm gonna do it myself. I'm gonna suck it up. I'm gonna be a man. I'm gonna do it myself, because at the end of the day, I have other ideas and other plans to fix this car, make a car beautiful. Because it deserves more. It deserves, you know, to be pretty. It deserves to be nice. But I'm here today to still do some work. Now, I teased in a short video last time when I posted that it might be a new car to the channel, and it's a family car, and that car needs an oil change. So without further ado, here she is. As you can see from that last shot, the car has been raised. One of the features that I desperately wanted in the car, that I figured that we're going to keep for a long time, was the air suspension. So now I don't have to jack up the car. I'm going to squeeze myself underneath the car, have enough ground clearance to get under the car and do my oil change. Now let's take a look at this right here. Got a V8 motor. Yes, we got a nice V8. The controversial thing, or thing that was giving me a lot of issues, was the type of oil. You know, I'm being kind of like a little noob, like, oh my gosh, what kind of oil I'm going to use for this car? You know, I wanted to make sure everything's nice, everything is pretty, everything is good, because like I said, this is a car that my wife and I we invested in, and we want to make sure everything's straight. So I went to the guys at FCP Euro. You know, I used to give them a lot more props. I mean, unfortunately, they still cool, but they kind of dropped the ball on it for me, because I ordered this particular oil specifically because it's supposed to come with a camera. Not a camera, but a flashlight. So those of you who know what I'm getting at, you understand what I'm getting at. So as you can see, I went with liquid moly, Mologen. That is the oil that I'll be running in this car. And I know what you guys thinking, like, yo man, that's not Mobil 1, that's not what they recommended. But I did some research, I talked to people on the forums. I also spoke to a gentleman from Pelican Parts, and he also told me that, look, you could use that, that's perfectly fine, there's nothing wrong with that. So I'm gonna go with that. As long as the viscosity is the same, it's good. So I'm gonna do this. It has not only the green color, right, green oil, okay? It has tungsten in it, and it has anti-friction additives in it, so it keeps the engine nice and smooth and lubricated, so I don't have to worry about certain things. And as you guys know, with some of these cars, there's like, I think, bore scoring that happens because of the engine running dry. So hopefully I don't have that issue. I don't know per se. Like I said, I haven't had any issues with the car running. The car's been running pretty fine for me. It has 90,000 miles on it, so it's not bad. I got my filter, drain plug, crush washer, and in here I have my 36mm socket that I will use to remove the oil filter. So like I said again, please bear with me. I'm going to set up everything and we're gonna take you guys for a ride and such. The first part of this, because I figure y'all don't care, it's an oil change, whatever. I feel a little bit guilty. I was talking to my brother. Here it is, recommended Mobil 1. I don't got Mobil 1. I got Liquid Moly, but we gonna work it out. We're gonna figure it out. As you can see, there's a little black cover here that's at the front of the car, and also underneath the car there's another shield that Porsche puts to protect the under tray as I get underneath the car. So as you can see, this is underneath the car. There's the transfer case in your face, exhaust, you know, transmission, etc., etc. This is like a little weeping somewhere back here, like right there. So I'm hoping it's not leaking. But that's why it's good that I got that Liquid Moly, because the Liquid Moly with the green hue will let me know if I'm leaking anywhere. And the good thing about this car, you know what I mean, I have a great warranty with the car, which is one of the selling points for me. I could do some work myself, obviously, but nothing beats having a good warranty, and I know I'm protected for the major stuff in this car. So that's a good thing. So that gives me peace of mind. So when stuff, God forbid, something happens, I'm good money. So it's pretty simple. Here it is, the drain plug. I gotta remove that, let it drain out, and then here's the filter right here. And then once that's done, we will put the oil in. I'll put the case, the little shield back underneath here. Once I button this back up, I'll show you guys what the shield looks like attached. But yeah, this is a lot more cleaner, because when I looked at other oil changes for like the V6 models and stuff like that, it's a little bit different. It's all the way in the back and it's like hard to get to. This looks pretty accessible. So I'm gonna set up the camera so you guys can see what's going on and take it from there.
Yo, what up, T? This King at Rock. Yo, what's up, B? I'm just calling to see what's up with you, man. When you get a chance, send me some fire beats, yo. See what's good with that, alright? One.
Okay, so as you guys saw in the time lapse, I had a big oil spill. It's soaking up in the dirt. Forgive me. Sorry, planet, but you know, oil comes from the earth anyway. But anyway, you're not gonna get into that. Took off the filter, replaced that. Replaced the, I didn't change the drain plug screw because it looks pretty good. I just put the new crush washer in there because I think I lost it when it fell out. I'm getting ready to put the oil in soon, so I want to put that on there. Just going over everything, making sure everything looks good before I add the oil. And then once I add the oil, I'm going to run the car for a little bit, check the level basically in the car itself, and then take it from there. I can put this mileage in there. Like I said, it's a green oil. I tightened everything down there. Unfortunately, I couldn't really get it in the proper position with the torque wrench. I did torque the spec, so hopefully we don't get any leaks. Do this, check the levels, button up everything, and hopefully we should get to go. I really do hope this works out. Let's see. As you can see, look at that. Look at that green blood. Like I said before, same oil. It's just supposed to, like, you know, run green to like illustrate you have a leak for the first 1,000 miles, and it goes to regular color. I was telling my brother as I was changing the oil, like the other oil looked pretty alright. It had like a little darkness to it, but it still looked relatively fresh. I think I had an extra 1,000 miles based on that sticker that's on the windshield. But the car was telling me I need to change the oil, so I'm gonna do the preemptive thing and change it. Alright, let me just check down low, make sure there's no leak real quick. I'm right back. So, in order for me to check the level, I gotta turn it on. So I put like maybe a full bottom, a little bit more. Hopefully I don't mess that up. Let's see. Okay, let's see. I know the door's open. I get it. I know it's fast in my seat. I get it. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. What? Do I gotta reset this joint?
Yeah, so the car told me that it couldn't tell me the oil level at the moment, so I was a little bit in a panic. So I was like, you know what, I did 1,000 oil changes. This can't be that difficult. So after reading some more and realizing that the car had to get to operating temperature, which is 158 degrees Fahrenheit for the oil, I just said, you know what, let's do that. Get it up to the temperature, wait 2 minutes afterwards and checked it, and sure enough it did. And I was able to get the oil level spot on because there's no dipstick on the car. I was able to get it spot on with just like doing some quick math and, you know, guesstimating how much I should put in there, and everything worked out. So happy about that.
But the one thing you don't want to do is overfill this. So I'm going to put at least a few more quarts in there, let it sit for 2 minutes like the book said. Then I'm gonna start it again, and hopefully I get the oil levels, and then I'll be able to know if it's near the minimum or the max. But I don't want to leave it dry. Bottoms up. No, pour it on the chain. You know what I'm saying? Get smoke coming out of this joint. So you gotta go with feel. You know, so you gotta feel it in your heart. When to stop. Okay, I think we stop right here. Nice, right now. Let me see what do you think? Like it's about like a quart. This, I guess, it's like a quart here.
Yeah, they mark it with the on that one.
I'm hoping that all this stuff, the liquid moly, I know it's made in Germany, you know, the cars are made in Germany, but still, you know what I'm saying? Let's hope that everything is straight, you know what I'm saying? It's supposed to have all these properties in here, and, you know, molecular friction control and all this, etc. So all the science behind this joint, that's why it looks green. Hopefully, she's good. Alright, that's cool. I'm gonna start here. Let it wait for 2 minutes, guys, and then we'll be back and see where we at. Guys, I figured I'll give y'all a recap. So yeah, I was a little nervous. I was looking under the car, saw something dripping. I was like, what's that? But it was like condensation coming from the exhaust. I was like, alright, cool, Michael, take it easy. Then also, this car doesn't have a dipstick, so you have to go in the car and check the oil level. So I was like, yo, man, I'm gonna do this. It wasn't resetting. So I just had to do quick math in my head. That joint perfect. As you can see, that joint is perfect. Right in the min-max, it's perfect. So happy about that. I'm about to button up the car right now. I just have to raise it back up. I'm about to put back on these little under tray shields, and then that's it. The car's a little filthy, but I cleaned it up after that. Shout out to my brother again, like I said, for helping me out. But yeah, I'll get you guys up to speed. Yeah, I know it's not the BMW content that we are accustomed to, but it's still something. Also, she's gonna get worked on, don't worry. I'm just waiting on the parts, and like I told you guys before, the gentleman, what he told me,
Good luck.
with getting someone to help me wire weld, that's something that really kind of is pushing me now more than ever to get a welder and start practicing welding. So that might be the new content that you guys see. But anyway, I want to thank you guys again for watching. I want to thank you guys again for the support. I know it's been a long time since I put a video out. I'm trying to get the content better. I'm trying to do different things. Yeah, I'm just trying. Anyway, wish me luck. Like I said before, I know I've been saying like a lot of times, like if you know anybody, tell them. But I can't, afford a lot of that stuff that the people are saying. Don't get it twisted. It's a nice car. Here's a Porsche, you know what I'm saying? But, whatever. But at the end of the day, it's greatly appreciated. Thank you guys again for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. Let me know if there's things I could do to make the channel better, more entertaining for you guys. Please share it with other people. Enjoy the rest of the evening.